Hello there my tulips, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss coming through with a super short follow-up review just for you. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So today's video is just a follow-up on the Char hair gummies that I had been taking. It's been probably a little over 45 days since I've been taking these particular gummies. And I have completed the bottle actually. It was 90 gummies in here and I finished them within like 45 days. So, how did that happen? Well, like I mentioned in the previous video, if you have not checked that out with the super short initial review, I'll leave a card at the top so you can check that out. But I mentioned in that particular video that you can take 2 gummies a day but do not exceed 3. So I started out taking 2, but then I gradually increased to taking 3, and so that's how I was able to get through 90 gummies within a 45, 46, 47 day time frame. Something like that. Let's just get right into the meat of things. So I did quite a few videos regarding these particular gummies here, and let me just let you guys know right now, this will not be a repurchase for me. I'm actually sadly disappointed in these particular hair gummies. First of all, I did have some hair growth after I took down my last set of braids, and around that time I had just gotten done with taking these gummies here, and I noticed a lot of hair growth. However, I noticed my hair did not seem as full as it did the last time I took down my last couple of set of braids, and so I'm very disappointed about that. As far as the length goes, I definitely think that this could have contributed to some of the length. However, I was doing other things that also probably contributed to the hair growth. Now, I do know one thing about biotin is it works differently within each individual. Keep in mind there's 5,000 mcgs in this, and it seems like this time I experienced some length, but I did not experience the thickness. And biotin can cause some thinness in your hair. So with that being said, this is probably definitely not going to be a repurchase for me, because the last thing I need is some thinness. I want thickness and length, okay? Just like anybody else out there. You guys, this caused acne in my skin, and y'all know I ain't about that. Like real acne. Every day a pimple was formulating on my face, and that started to happen once I increased my dosage from 2 to 3 times. When I increased my dosage from 2 gummies to 3 gummies, once I did that, the acne was just overnight. Every day a pimple here, a pimple there, and it was just too uncomfortable for me. So with that being said, no, your girl will not be repurchasing Char hair gummies. However, like I always mention, when it comes to hair, it's just trial and error. You have to do things to kind of find out what really suits you, what really works well for your hair. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.